Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiana. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, hi doll baby. Hi doll baby, hi doll baby. Hi. Isn't this the cutest sweater? I got it from Hot Topic. It's Harry Potter. So this is the Harry Potter Forever. This is the Lightning. Okay, this is their book. This is the Phoenix. This is the Tri-Wizard Cup. It's like the best sweater in the world. Anywho, how you doing? If you haven't subscribed, then go ahead and do that. And welcome back. I'm doing another one of the reviewing one of my favorite wigs in a different color to see if it was the wig. Is it the color? Do I still love it? Do I not?
What's going on? What's doing this?
I can't stop. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So if you've caught any of my lives, if you've seen any of my recent videos, I've been having a love affair with Janet Collection, and I've been trying to scoop up some of the older styles that I really love before they get discontinued. And one of the ones I love so much was Chelsea. It was in my wigs I regret getting rid of video. I had her in the color 613 and I hand dyed her. I don't know why I got rid of her. I went through a phase and I was getting rid of all of them, and then now I try to keep my long-term collection small. But I definitely want to start to hang on to wigs that I love that potentially are getting discontinued, because they're getting discontinued. This beautiful girl here is the Brazilian Blowout Straight, I think, and this is part of the same series that I did, so you can see that. But today I have another Chelsea. I do have clips of me getting her together. Now this is a 4x4 parting wig, so you can part it anyway. So I might do a little bit more messing around with her while we talk. But this is Chelsea right here. She is part of her Janet Collection's Princess Lace wig line. It is a 4x4 lace parting wig. She is hand tied free parting. She comes in a few colors, not a ton, and I really wanted her in this sugar blonde, but I could not find her, so I did get her in the color number 2. And all the deets are in the original review. She is heat safe up to some degrees, probably 400, 360. And I scooped her up from Ms. Barn for $22.50. So this is her right here. So I've already done a little bit of work to her. But I feel like when I did it, I wasn't 100% pleased, and I'll show the clips on what I already did. I feel like we need to mess with her just a little bit more, because this is, I'm pretty sure I'm keeping her, because that was the whole point. But you can see she's got this beautiful, like, silk top as well, and then she's got the sort of lining right here. She also has these clip in the back and 2 clips in the front. So we're gonna get her on and we're gonna mess with her, and then
that'll be that. Yeah,
like I said, I already did some things to her. You can see that in the first review. I feel like I hear Kit Kat. Alright, let me do a couple things to her. She may not need as much as I thought. I think when I did her, I was just like tired at that point. So let me just see about getting her together, and then I will come back with my final thoughts. Yeah. Took me a second, but I did get her more where I wanted her. I did need to fix the part. So like I'm saying, when you're doing like free parting wigs, it's great because it's free parting. But I do think it takes a minute to, like, you know, put the wig in a place that you want it to be. I'm still in love with this wig. I do feel I did not like dark colored wigs whenever I had her in the other color, so I do feel like this was a good time for me to try a dark color because I do really like it. I think she looks so pretty. You can look to my other review for Deets, and yeah, I just feel like she looks so pretty. This is such a high quality wig for the price. It's unreal. If you like this wig, I would try to get your hands on her as soon as possible. She does come in several different colors yet. Yeah, I do still really love this wig, and I do love her in this dark color. I never thought that I would say that because I didn't think that I even liked darker wigs, but that goes to show that not only like that your wig preferences can change. But yeah, so this is Chelsea. So long story short, I still love this wig. I'm going to hang on to this one. And if you have Chelsea and you have thoughts, put that down below. And don't forget to check out the review I did on her in the other color, because that was also a review on hand dyeing that I did. Because I did go through a phase where I did hand dye a lot of wigs, and there's a lot of tips and tricks to do that as well. A lot of these wigs, if they're going to be discontinued, the 613s are always really the last to be available usually. So those videos are really helpful because you can dye them the colors that you want. So that is what I have for you for this video. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, do so, because I want you to be one of my little doll babies. And if you have, thank you for being here. I do live wig coaching once a week, and I also do live wig hauls, so join me for a live. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.